So you put on the beans. You're gonna watch me the whole time. You can just spread it around as much as you want. Put as many as you want on too. Feel free to. You can do salsa or any sauce type. You don't have to. I prefer just put it on there. It's good. And so what I did first is use the eyelash and be nice and smooth. See, finally. And I would put some mustard on there, any type you want. Honey. I have Plochman's the old type. So here, let me shake this before. There you go. And just put it on there like any type you want. Like, yeah, and so as much as you want. Feel free to not even put mustard on there. Now we do the minced garlic. Stone mill from get it at any type of place. Bigger. You can get it at any type of place. Smells pretty good, right? Oops. I'll get that after. I'll just do it right now. What's that? So, you have this. Nice. Finely chopped. You can mix it around if you want. Some finely chopped. I mean, yeah, it's very, very, very chopped. And you just want to put a little bit on there. Not a lot, just a little. Like maybe you could do 1 ounce or some. Oops. I'm gonna shake that up, huh? Oops. Shake a little. And now it's the grease at the bottom, so yeah. Just a little bit, like that much. That's good. And you can spread it around a little more. I tend to like garlicky. I tend to like the sour and garlicky stuff. This thing here, and I wipe that up. Then you can put that away, huh? Go ahead and put this away. Not put it away. Then we can get one more ingredient, I think. If you have it. Don't have to have it. Put it on there. But I don't have that right now. Cover this up. I know. And there you have it. Put it together and bon appetit. Mmm.